Do you recognise this website? Can you relate to this guy? The stresses, the pains. Do you want to invest into property but you just don't know where to start? This video is for you, so watch till the end as I take you around my first buy-to-let property in the hopes to give you some drive, some motivation to get started. This channel is for you as I cover all sorts of personal finance, property and investment content, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and let's go into it. And so here we are in my first buy-to-let property. If you saw my previous video, you will have seen the kind of a headache of a day that I've had. So, turns out that although I had the confirmation to say that the keys were good to collect as of about 10 o'clock, the estate agents apparently hadn't received it. To go to the beach. So I got a call from the estate agents. Turned out the seller still had the keys, but he was in work with the keys. About 20 past 4 now, so a lot later than I was hoping and expecting to get in, but look what I have. But finally I'm here. I've been here for about 10-15 minutes, so I'm still yet to properly sort of look around in detail, but I promised you a house tour, so here is a house tour. So getting started, you do have a little bit of an entranceway sort of as you walk in, but you can see it's quite a small sort of front room, but I think it's quite cozy. It's a 2-bed house, so I think this could be a really nice home for someone. Sort of in general, sort of as you walk in, obviously you've got all the mail sort of that's built up, but in general I think this room could tidy up really nicely. Obviously you've got the front door there that definitely needs replacing, but showing you around a little bit, it's just a matter of sort of cleaning up sort of this side, this corner, trying to make that look a bit more presentable and smart. With the sofa, I was kind of hoping during the buying process that it would be removed, but clearly that's another problem for me to deal with. And obviously you've got sort of this in the wall just here as well, which is something that I wasn't really planning to get sorted. But in general, I factored in sort of new doors in the house. This is all sort of my stuff in the corner down there. But I factored in sort of new doors around the house. I do want to paint as well a little bit, just to tidy things up. But you can see in general, like the finish and the colour scheme is quite nice in the house. In general, the kitchen is in really good condition as well. Again, I think it just needs a deep clean. You've got a nice bathroom off the kitchen. You can see it needs a new heated towel rail. But in general, again, I think this just needs a really good clean up and a tidy up. But you can see in general, it's an absolutely lovely home. And I can really see the potential in it. Coming upstairs, I think it was fairly freshly carpeted. You do have a little bit of a courtyard out back, which that will definitely need some tidying up. But coming up the stairs, again, freshly carpeted. Then coming up here, you've got one of the bedrooms, which again, is very clean. It just needs, yeah, bit of a tidy up in general. See the windows need a good clean as well. And coming through here, you've got bedroom number 2, which again, good size, really nice room, just in general needs a good tidy up. I think I want to have a little bit of a look at the windowsills as well. But you can see in general, you've got a little bit of a sloped roof sort of to the back area where the kitchen and the bathroom is. And there are some tiles just there that were actually replaced and the guttering sorted as well as a part of the purchase. But you can, in general, you can see it's an absolutely lovely home which just needs a deep clean, maybe a bit of a light redecoration. And there we have it, my first buy-to-let property. There was a lot to show. I wish I explained it a little bit better in the actual video, but in the future I've got some really good stuff coming out as to getting it actually ready to be rented out, in terms of the actual sort of rent and how being a landlord is for the first time. So it's something that if you like this video, you will like the future content. So be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. We've looked into property. Watch this video up next as I cover another way to invest your money, generate passive income and grow your wealth in a way that's far less effort in a video that I cover the what, I cover the why, and I cover the how to get started today. So thanks for joining me.